Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tasty guacamole. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 perfectly ripe avocados, which are the creamy foundation of any great guacamole. We'll also use the juice from 1 fresh lime. This not only adds a zesty kick, but also helps keep your guacamole from browning. Finally, a half teaspoon of salt is crucial for enhancing all those wonderful flavors, but remember, you can always add more to taste. Now, let's elevate our guacamole with some fantastic flavor boosters. We'll incorporate about 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. It provides a lovely crunch and a mild, savory bite. Next, 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro will infuse your guacamole with a vibrant, herbaceous aroma. For a touch of warmth, add 1 small minced jalapeno, removing the seeds if you prefer less heat. These additions truly make a difference. With our ingredients ready, it's time to bring everything together. First, carefully halve and pit your avocados, then scoop their creamy flesh into a mixing bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado to your preferred consistency. Some like it super smooth, while others enjoy a chunkier texture. Once mashed, gently fold in your diced red onion, cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, and salt. Mix until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix. Your delicious homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips. It also makes a fantastic topping for tacos, burritos, or even grilled chicken or fish. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is rare, store them in an airtight container. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole before sealing to minimize air exposure and keep it fresh for about 1 day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.